we have a Toyota RAV4, 4 cylinders. It had a lean system bank 1 code p0171, and sometimes it gets cylinders, multiple cylinder misfire, cylinder 1 and 4 misfire, or cylinder 2 misfire, or 3 misfire. It depends on which cylinder is misfiring. So the problem on this car has already been fixed, and after a long diagnosis I found that 2 injectors were bad. So I checked the compression, I check everything. So first step, you have to start with looking at the spark plugs, and then if the spark plugs looks good, swap the coils from the cylinder misfiring to the cylinder not misfiring, and see if that gonna switch the misfiring code to another cylinder, and that's how you know if it's bad coil. And then also you need to look at the short term and long term and see if there's any vacuum leak. And if there's no issue with everything, and then you check all the fuel, you check the live data for the oxygen sensor, everything looks good, then we go to the next step. You go to the fuel injectors and switch it from, so for me it was cylinder 4 and cylinder 1 what misfiring, so I switched the injectors from number 1 and number 4, and I switched them with number 2 and 3, so the codes switched to those cylinders after after the swap. So I got the new injectors, and I also replaced, because I got a good deal on the parts, so I replaced the mass flow sensor. And now, so before, when I raise the code, the pending code will be back immediately, and the car shakes, misfiring really bad, rough idle, and very bad with the power. Reduced power, you can't go really fast. So now it's on idle, seems pretty good, the needle's not moving or anything, and the motors looks good. So I'm just gonna have to drive it for a few miles and make sure everything is green, and then we'll take it for the smog. If this video was helpful and it fixed your issue, please subscribe, like, and comment this video to share more diagnosis and repairs, problem solving on this channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day.